Hiring an electrician online? That's fine, but you almost hired an unlicensed one. Everyone likes a deal, but if you're trying to save by hiring an unlicensed electrician, you could be in for a world of trouble. If you need electrical work done, take these steps to protect yourself. Only hire a licensed electrical contractor, or LEC, with an ESA license number. That number should appear on all advertisements, estimates, contracts, and even on their work vehicle. It's a red flag if it doesn't. Remember, LECs are insured, so if something goes wrong, you aren't on the hook. You can always verify an LEC through ESA's lookup tool at findacontractor.esasafe.com. If they aren't listed, they aren't licensed. Finally, make sure your LEC files an electrical permit with the Electrical Safety Authority. Permits lower the risk of fire, shocks, and other hazards. Potential homebuyers and insurance companies may also ask for them. Don't take chances with who you hire. Your home and family are too important.